My name is Wycliffe Opiyo from Kanga High School with my partner
Alfonce, Ochieng, Kanga School.
We're coming here to present to you our project, Smart Gloves, under
Technology and Internet of Things.
Okay, in the contemporary society, we have the deaf and the dumb. They are faced with many challenges. Imagine waking up one morning and you're unable to speak or to hear. So aspiring to solve some of these challenges that the people face, we have come up with the Smart Gloves. According to the 2019 census, in Kenya we have 0.9 million people living with disabilities, and 150,000 of them are living with hearing and speech related problems. Some of the challenges they face in their daily lives include:
most people do not recognize sign language. Communication has really become a challenge to us. Imagine a situation where you are born in a family where you are the only one with speech impaired and you are unable to communicate with the rest of the family. Or imagine a situation where you are speech impaired and you are in a serious meeting at night and all of a sudden light just goes off.
We are trying to come up with a solution that will enable the child to communicate with the whole family, since lip reading is not really something that they can use. We find that most of the English words, only about 45% is detectable by mouth reading or lip reading as it is called. Also, we find that the employers are not willing to employ those who are hearing and speech impaired because they deem this as an inconvenience in the work setting. We also find that 80% of the population who are hearing are not conversant with even the most basic sign language signs. So we have come up with this system.
These facts, we empathize with the speech impaired and we decided to come up with a smart glove that will bridge the communication gap.
Our smart glove comprises of flex sensors, the Arduino, the breadboard, the OLED screen, and the Bluetooth module. The jumper wires are just for connection purposes. So the flex sensors work on a basis of resistance. They take the values and send them to the Arduino. The Arduino sends them to the phone where the message is displayed. When the recipient wants to reply, a reply is sent to the Bluetooth module, which then transmits the information and is displayed on the OLED screen so the user can see the message.
The Bluetooth module receives and transmits data from the Arduino to the smartphone and the vice versa. So
how the glove works. So when this deaf person is somewhere and wants to communicate with the other party, he can sign and then the information is transmitted to the glove. Alfonce, can you show them?
A, B, C.
We will do words like
come.
If you want to tell somebody, how are you? This is how you do it.
How are you?
The integration of a system into the education sector, for example, the hearing and speech impaired will be able to live normal lives with their counterparts and interact freely. And now where they are in different schools, in separate schools, and there's some disparity there, so we want to break that barrier and integrate them into the society fully. That, ladies and gentlemen, is what we wanted to share with you. Thank you.